so we are on our way to TJ Maxx right now. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna find. Should be interesting to say the least. But yeah, welcome to this video. Hi. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Show some support. We're about to hit 600K. So tell all your friends to subscribe. Kylie's tonight. Okay, so I'm getting this. This is my highlight. I need brows, I need foundation, I need primer, I need concealer, I need everything. Oh my gosh. Wait, is the rule like just clearance makeup or can you just buy like whatever? Because I'm gonna buy whatever. They don't have like a specific
no, I don't
clearance section.
No, they don't. Like
but
it's
what
all
brand is
Urban Studio. So it's like originally $10, but they're selling it for like $6.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna get this one. I just need one. This one looks like the Real Techniques. So that's safe. That's safe.
I have Anastasia stick foundation.
Oh, I hate that foundation. I'm so confused. I don't know what I'm looking at. Look at this. This is like a whole mix.
It's just makeup.
I want to find stuff that I actually need.
Isn't that kind of besides the point though?
True. She made a point. She might have made a point. Okay, I'll just use the Anastasia foundation because I don't see any other one. Eyeliner is good, but they don't have like the ones that I usually use. No. I'm just looking for like the longest ones that they have. I found a blush. We found one. I've just like never seen this before.
Lash Tastic.
Oh, look at that. They got some MAC.
Oh.
I think I'm just gonna pick up random shit and like see what it comes to.
Yeah.
Could be. Okay, here are the palettes. Here are the palettes.
Sure. I have the white peach palette.
Okay. But it's like open, like
no,
somebody
it's
like went
open.
through this shit. Look.
Oh wait, there's other ones right here. And oops.
Oh my god. Dude, if it wasn't broken before, it's broken now. So I try this Too Faced palette.
Oh yeah.
I'm just trying. Oh wait, this isn't even Too Faced.
Wait.
Does this not look like Too Faced?
No, it does.
That looks interesting. Okay. Oh wait, here's like some actual foundation. Those were all just like.
Oh my god, in 8th grade I used to use this. This was the first foundation I ever used. Like this is the stuff that was popular in like 2012.
I know, I'm scared.
Look, they have a chocolate bar.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna get that.
It's like dusted.
It's $25.
It's busted and dusted.
It's like half price. Okay, wait. Okay. Alright, so I have cream contour. I have. What is this? Where did this come from?
Oh my god. How many things you're gonna drop?
Oh wait, I have two Too Faced palettes. I don't think I need two.
No, yeah, you only need one.
Which one? This one looks more like busted. So
yeah.
I should use this. Lashes. Mascara. The foundation. I have way too many foundations. Hold on. I'll get rid of that one. Highlighter, powder, lip gloss, whatever foundation. Okay, I still need bronzer.
If you have a contour palette, then you don't need bronzer.
I can't find any.
I've not seen any bronzer at all, actually.
Okay. We're all good. I should buy that shit. My mom loves this shit.
Just pick up a little something.
Oh yeah, let's go shopping. I actually still want to shop. This is what I walked out with. 2 plants.
Goes to TJ Maxx for video, buys 2 plants and a candle. Tina.
So hot.
Really, at a really cheap. Oh my god, holy fuck. Oh fucking fuck. And
Okay guys, so I'm ready to put all of this stuff to the test. Some of the makeup is really busted, some of it's fine. So yeah, I'm just excited to try everything. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the eyes. Guys, I couldn't find a lot of things, like the way they have the makeup set up. I'm sure you guys saw it in the vlog portion, but the way they have the makeup set up, nothing is by category, by brand. It's all just there. So I actually got 2 eyeshadow palettes. So you guys know how I was dropping all that stuff. Well, I accidentally picked up this and I meant to only buy this. So this is the Too Faced chocolate bonbons and this like wasn't packaged. This is how they sold it, like just the palette. That's a little sketch. I accidentally picked this up while I was dropping everything, making a mess, and this is the Maxx Studio Shimmer and Matte eyeshadow palette. I've never ever heard of this brand in my life, but I accidentally bought this, so I think I have to use it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this today. It comes in this like plastic kind of like cheap packaging. Okay, so this is a palette. They have a lot of good mattes. Oh my god, this one is like broken. Just not like opening correctly. I can tell that this one's like a little broken, a little bit busted. That's probably why they were selling it for literally half the price. This was only like $24. I mean, TJ Maxx is low-key, like you could find some gems in there. It might just be a little bit busted, a little bit crusty, because look, like all the eyeshadows are perfectly fine. It's just the packaging that's like Okay, so I'm all primed, ready to go. I'm gonna grab this color right here. It reminds me of like an orange soda, and oh, And oh my god, I'm kind of shook right now. This is blending so nicely and the color is really pretty. Like, this is the perfect transition shade. I just really hate how small these eyeshadow pans are because it's really hard to dip into the color and just get that color for some reason. I forgot how like neutral and taupey and kind of like boring this palette was. I don't know why I bought it now. I'm like, fuck. This was the only one I meant to buy, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh wait, these shades were kind of boring. Now I'm gonna be grabbing this shade right here. So this one is like a light pink cranberry color. They don't really have any other orangey like browns in here. This is kind of like my only option, but this color is pretty nice. It's just a little bit lighter and a little bit more pink than I was expecting it to be. I'm not really sure what I'm going for right now. I'm just kind of winging it, honestly, but I'm just gonna keep building up this color and trying to get it darker because it's not really getting dark enough. Not gonna lie, I did get quite a bit of fallout from these eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deep brown right here, and I'm gonna use this to deepen up this eyeshadow look, and then I have no idea what kind of look I'm just gonna let you guys know. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I think I'm gonna do something subtle and low-key today because, well, number one, I don't have any other options, and number two, I never do, so let's try something new. These are just like really powdery. I feel like they blend nicely, but they're so powdery. This is what I have going on right now. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease really quickly. Okay, so I just went ahead and cleaned up all that fallout. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to lashes. So I picked up these right here, and these are like the only good ones that I saw. They had a lot of drugstore brand lashes, a lot of brands that I hadn't really heard of, but I saw these Kiss lashes right here and they looked pretty promising. These are the Kiss Blowout lashes. Comes with 4 pairs of lashes, which I think is a great deal. Are you kidding? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these really quickly off camera. Oh no. I don't even know what's going on here. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I don't like these lashes at all. First of all, I had to cut them, so they're way shorter than I thought they were gonna be. Even though these were like the longest ones that they had in the store, they're still so short. I picked up this mascara, you guys, and the reason that I gravitated towards it is because it looked like a Maybelline mascara, and I love Maybelline mascaras, but it's not. W7 Lash Tastic. This is their Lash Tastic False Liquid Lashes mascara. So basically it's supposed to have a false lash effect. I got this for $3. Apparently it's $5. I just googled it and this is a $5 mascara. I'm gonna go crazy with this mascara. It's a pretty thick wand. Honestly, this is a really nice mascara. That just kind of like revived these lashes, if you will, and they look pretty nice. So I couldn't find any primers. All I could find was foundation, so I picked up this Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup Foundation. Also, the main reason that I picked this up is because it was out of the packaging and I could see the color, and this looks like it's a pretty good match. I'm a little bit on the pale side right now, but I can just bring it down my neck. I also picked up this sponge right here, and the only reason I got this is because it reminded me of the Real Technique sponge, but this is from a brand called Urban Studio. You guys, I just opened this and it looks like somebody's been through this. You know, there's like usually a little cover right here. Well, the cover is still there. It looks like somebody literally peeled it open a little bit, swatched it, and then closed it back up with their fingers. Like, look at this. Somebody literally opened this shit just to swatch it and then put it back. Like, okay. Okay. I'm already breaking out though, so it's okay with me. Okay, wait, is this gonna match me? Actually, all right. I have to do this quickly. I'm definitely gonna have to take it down my neck though, and it smells awful, so I need to hurry and not keep this on my face for too long. Oh my god, I really like this foundation. It looks so smooth. The coverage is really nice. Hey guys, I'm not mad at that at all. Besides the fact that it was disgusting, it was already opened by someone, I'm not mad at the actual foundation itself. It looks nice. The color is like a little bit orange, but it's okay. So I actually couldn't find a concealer in the store. All I could find was this, and this is the Anastasia stick foundation, and these can pretty much be used for anything. You can use them for contour or your actual foundation, or for concealer and highlighting. So I'm using it for my concealer today. Ew. Wait, look at this. At least I got the right shade. That's something. Okay, let's just do this. I'm just so grossed out. The fact that I'm using the actual applicator too, and I know somebody's touched it. I'm like, ugh. So yeah, I couldn't find any bronzers, so I had to pick up this. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Cream Contour Palette. So they had a powder one, and they recently came out with a cream version of it, all the same shades and everything. So I'm gonna be using this today. Oh, thank God. Oh my God, this one hasn't been touched at all. It still has like the little thing and everything. The little thing. Why couldn't I come up with the word plastic? Bitch. Okay, but I'm just gonna be using this to contour. Oh my god, that is so dark. Actually, this side isn't that bad. That was a lot. So now that is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I couldn't find any translucent, like loose setting powders. So all I could find was this right here. This is the Kat Von D Lock It Powder Foundation. I never use powder foundations to set everything. I'll usually just go in with a loose powder just to set my under eyes. So now for blush, I grabbed this Lil Rock blush right here, and I haven't used Lil Rock in like ages. I remember their eyeshadow palettes were really popular back in the day. I haven't used this brand in a while. Are you kidding? This one's broken. I don't know if that was me or that was probably me, but I don't know if it was me or if it was broken already, but it's broken. I still have to use it though because I don't have any other blush to use. This is gonna get everywhere, isn't it? At least she's pigmented. Oh my god. Okay, I also just didn't even pick out the color. It said blush and I just grabbed it, so this is really pink. Okay, not a fan. I'm probably gonna end up throwing this out after it's literally broken and I don't even like the color. I also picked up this right here. I wanted to pick up one thing that I knew I liked. Okay, so this is the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette, and these are bomb, you guys. I really love these. Oh, there's like no surprise here. What the fuck? Oh, it just shattered as I opened it. Are you kidding? It's literally everywhere. All right, you know what? We're moving on. It's literally everywhere. Oh, damn it. Okay, you know what? It was only one shade that shattered. Like the other two are perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna grab this middle shade in the palette and use this as my highlighting color. The other one was like a nice gold color and now I'm sad. Look at how pretty. Ugh. Stand. Okay, so I actually picked up two lipsticks and I wasn't really sure what this one was. All I saw was that it was MAC. This is from the Aaliyah collection and this is a lip gloss. I also picked up this Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick, so I'm gonna use this first and then the gloss on top. That worked out perfectly. I had no idea what shade this was. I just grabbed it because it looked like, I don't know, it was MAC. I recognized it. It already has like makeup on the sides of it. It's a lot pinker than I was expecting, but it's okay. I'm gonna go with the gloss now on top. This is actually so pretty. It's like a gold gloss. Kind of reminds me of the Jouer Skinny Dip one. This one wasn't used or opened or anything, and I'm probably gonna keep this. It could have been a lot worse. I feel like that's all I have to say. Like this could have gone a lot worse. The eyeshadow was fine, foundation was fine, everything was just like a little bit gross and busted, but I feel like you can still find gems from TJ Maxx if you guys wanted to. A lot of their makeup is clearance and it's all like half priced or it's priced down like majorly, so definitely check them out. Yeah, there was like hella people in the makeup section just going through everything, seeing like what was used, what's okay to use. I'm not trying to bash like TJ Maxx makeup at all. This is just a fun video to do on my channel and I wanted to see, you know, what we would get, and this is it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It gives this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!